Traders, it's Paul from I want to be a forextrader.com and dailyforextrader.me. Going to do some talking about a new version of the SignalTrader trading system that's coming out, which has something really quite exciting in it. It's just I'm going to release it to beta testers probably tonight, but I'm going to give you a sneak preview. Okay, this is going to be probably released maybe Wednesday, Thursday, maybe Tuesday. We'll see how we get on. We'll see how much testing we can do. Sorry about the bell, that was my cat. Anyway, so it could be retrace day today because we had that big rally against the dollar on Friday, but you know, it all could come herring back down again. So let's see what SignalTrader's got. Now, in the old days, you see, I had to actually go to my email, check all my notifications. Here they all are from this morning. So I'll just click on one here so you can see here's my possible trades. If you see these and you're on the video, don't pause it and have a look because they're probably out of date anyway. But now I've managed to get MetaTrader talking to a MySQL server. So over here I have, these are the current trades that SignalTrader says are valid. And what I can do is I can just click place order on that and that one and that one, and then it goes pending, and then when my MetaTrader will pick up those orders and process them. Now also SignalTrader will manage those orders, so if that order becomes invalid, let's say this suddenly rallies up, breaks out of the trend, breaks out of where it's going now according to ST, then we will be going ahead and it will automatically cancel the order. Excuse that dinging, it's my iPhone getting its signals from SignalTrader. So the other thing is, for my people to know, is that I've got a new algorithm for Monday mornings, because Monday mornings the targets are a bit screwy because it takes some time for the markets to get settled and to get the new targets. So what I've done is I've got some special code on Monday which actually sorts out that problem. You can see the targets are much more realistic now. Just going through here, so that's basically what's happening with SignalTrader. In terms of trades, I know this will disagree with what my traders have got, because they probably won't have any trades at the moment because their software will take longer to catch up with the markets on Monday. So I've actually got I've got New Zealand dollar CAD sell, in fact everything's a sell, Aussie dollar Swissy sell, and Euro dollar sell, which I don't really trade Euro dollar, but we'll have a look anyway. So starting with Euro dollar, if I can find it in my window list, Euro Swissy, Euro CAD, Euro dollar, here we go. So we had that big rally on Friday because of the news, and you can see it here. SignalTrader thinking we're starting to head for a breakdown, which is funny because if you look at it, look at the way it's kind of rallied up a little bit more. But everything's kind of adds up for this bearish move. Of course, the good thing is with this software is if that suddenly decides to carry on up and we don't actually get the downward move, then we will come out of it. There's another one, Aussie Swissy sell. Let me just go and have a look at the web now. I have to refresh the page because I haven't written the yeah, it's the same thing. Okay, so that's because it's now doing the new signals. Okay, so we're looking for this retrace. I think we're going to see quite a lot of this today. Kind of hanging around, and then it'll do a nice big drop. There's lots of space there, people. There's options expiring at 10 o'clock New York time, which is quite important. So that's really what I've got, is basically now a web interface into MetaTrader. Okay, don't ask me how to do it because I'm not going to tell you. It's my trade secret. So have a great day's trading, everyone. SignalTrader users, I'll be releasing this new software in the next couple of days. It's going to go out to a couple of beta testers I've got, and then once we're happy that it's correctly functioning and it's putting the orders on, taking them off when it should do, we'll be doing it. Just a word, some people say, are you going to build this into a robot? The thing about robots is, you know, there's a human side to trading, and I'm always nervous about robots because they can't sometimes take into account everything that's going on in the marketplace. And you know, there may be one thing going on that you think, actually I don't want to trade today on that, or I don't want to trade at this time, like NFP is here or whatever. You know, there's lots of reasons. And personally, I like to interact with my trading and see what's going on and make valued judgments. I like this trade. Okay, I think it's a valid trade. If we break down, the risk is tiny, 15 pips for 98 pips profit. You know, even if it is euro dollar. In fact, I did put a trade on this. I don't normally trade euro dollar, but I did this morning because I think there's a good chance we could get this. It could go bouncing back down again. What about the news this morning? I didn't even look at the news this morning. So let's have a look and see what's in the news. Come on. Music can skew the charts. However, they do normally return to price anyway. They normally return to where they were before, unless the news is like earth-shattering. Especially if the news goes against the trend, it normally just returns to where it was going anyway. SignalTrader is quite good at predicting the news, but it can't help you with whipsaws, which is when the market goes the opposite direction first. Like for instance, on Friday they thought it was going to be good news for the dollar, so the dollar rallied just tiny way, and then they got the news and the dollar just dropped like a fly because of the bad news. So what have we got today? Not a whole heap of news really. There's a few little bits and pieces, something at 3:30. This could be quite a good day to trade, in fact, because when you've got less news, it's actually, I find it easier to trade. If there's lots of news, it can be difficult. Let's have a look at, look at today. Look at this one. This is Tuesday. This is tomorrow. Lots of sterling news around 9:30. We've got to be careful of. Dollar retail sales, quite important. Anything with three red exclamation marks, we've got to be careful with. And sometimes I'll pull my trades before then and hold out because I think that's kind of more important. Anyway, have a good day, everybody. SignalTrader users, there's details of the user group of the new upgrade. As soon as it's ready, guys, you're going to have it, but we need to test this one because it does mess around with your orders. Okay, have a good day. And don't forget the websites are www.iwanttobeaforextrader.com and www.dailyforextrader.me. If you're looking to get SignalTrader, I used to call it SignalTrader, it's only $50 a month for the whole trading system. That's the software, being a member of the user group, and the online forum you can go on, and we've got a Skype chat room that runs pretty much 24/5. I would say it does run 24/7, but there's not a lot of chat when the markets are shut. So have a great day, everybody. I want to be a forextrader.com.